What is your name?
My name is Rama.
How old are you?
I am 10 years old.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
Where do you live?
I live in Delhi.
What do you do in the morning?
I brush my teeth and have breakfast.
What do you eat for breakfast?
I eat cereal and milk for breakfast.
What do you like to eat?
I like to eat pizza.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a cat.
What is your favorite animal?
My favorite animal is a dog.
What do you do at school?
I learn and play with friends.
What is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is math.
What do you do after school?
I do my homework and then play outside.
Do you like to read books?
Yes, I like to read books.
What is your favorite book?
My favorite book is Harry Potter.
What do you watch on TV?
I watch cartoons on TV.
What is your favorite cartoon?
My favorite cartoon is Tom and Jerry.
Do you play any sports?
Yes, I play football.
What is your favorite sport?
My favorite sport is cricket.
What do you do on weekends?
I visit my grandparents and go to the park.
What is your favorite game?
My favorite game is chess.
Do you have a best friend?
Yes, my best friend is Jack.
What do you like to do with your friends?
I like to play games with my friends.
What is your favorite fruit?
My favorite fruit is mango.
Do you like to go to the beach?
Yes, I like to go to the beach.
What is your favorite holiday?
My favorite holiday is Diwali.
What is your favorite ice cream flavor?
My favorite ice cream flavor is chocolate.
Do you like to draw?
Yes, I like to draw pictures.
What do you like to draw?
I like to draw animals and landscapes.
What is your favorite movie?
My favorite movie is Finding Nemo.
Do you like to sing?
Yes, I like to sing songs.
What is your favorite song?
My favorite song is Twinkle Twinkle, Little Star.
Do you help your parents at home?
Yes, I help by cleaning my room.
What is your favorite activity?
My favorite activity is riding my bike.
What do you do on a rainy day?
I read books and play indoor games.
Do you go to the park?
Yes, I go to the park to play.
What do you see at the park?
I see trees, swings, and other children.
What do you like about school?
I like making new friends.
Do you like math?
Yes, I like solving math problems.
What is your teacher's name?
My teacher's name is Mrs. Sharma.
Do you have a favorite teacher?
Yes, my favorite teacher is Mr. Kumar.
What do you do before bedtime?
I brush my teeth and read a story.
What is your bedtime routine?
I wash my face and put on pajamas.
What do you want to be when you grow up?
I want to be a doctor.
Oh, you like going to the zoo?
Yes, I like seeing the animals.
What is your favorite zoo animal?
My favorite zoo animal is the lion.
Do you like going to the museum?
Yes, I like seeing interesting exhibits.
What do you learn at the museum?
I learn about history and science.
What do you like to do with your family?
I like to have dinner together and play board games.